Ibn Al-Qayyim, may God have mercy on him, said, "The difference between knowledge of certainty, eye of certainty, and truth of certainty. The three levels are represented by someone who tells you that he has honey, and you do not doubt his sincerity. Then he shows it to you, and you become more certain. Then you taste of it. The first, knowledge of certainty. The second, the eye of certainty. The third, the right of certainty. We now know about heaven and hell, certain knowledge. So if paradise approaches the situation for the righteous and the creatures see it, and hell appears for the deviants and the creatures see it, then that is the source of certainty. If the people of paradise enter paradise and the people of hell enter hell, then that is the truth of certainty. O God, do not deprive us of the pleasure of looking at your honorable face and the longing to meet you by your grace, benevolence and mercy, O God of bounty.